Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you some basic methods to fix mobile data is on but not working. First, try turn on and off airplane. On Android phone, open Quick Settings. On the iPhone, open Control Center. Now, tap the plane icon to turn airplane mode on. After 30 seconds, tap the same plane icon to toggle airplane mode off. Final, check if mobile data is working. Next, most phone issues are fixed with a simple reboot. So try reboot your device. After reboot and mobile data still not working, then try remove and insert the SIM card again. Locate the SIM tray. Depending on your model, the SIM tray is located on either the right or left or top or bottom side of the phone. You will see a tiny hole beside the tray. Insert a paper clip or the SIM ejector tool, which comes with your phone when purchased new. The tray should pop up. Remove the SIM. Gently clean the SIM with a dry and soft cloth. Put the SIM in the tray again and push the tray back into the phone. Now, check if mobile data is working. If still not working, then remove, then SIM card again. After that, try insert the SIM card on another phone and check if mobile data is working. In case mobile data not working on another phone, then contact your cellular provider's customer support. In case mobile data works on another phone, then please reset network settings the phone that mobile data is not working. To do that on iPhone, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart. On Samsung Galaxy phone, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. It will ask for your phone's passcode. Enter it and follow the instructions. That's it guys, hope these help you.